How to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Connections to open the network settings. From there, tap on Wi-Fi Calling to open the Wi-Fi calling settings. At this point, toggle it on to enable the feature on your device. In the next step, a prompt may appear asking you to enter or confirm your emergency address. Go ahead and fill that in, as it is required before the feature can be fully activated. Following this, once the address is confirmed, Wi-Fi calling will be live, and your device will automatically use your Wi-Fi connection to make and receive calls whenever your cellular signal is weak or unavailable. Once done, make a test call to confirm that Wi-Fi calling is working properly. You should see a Wi-Fi calling indicator appear in your status bar during the call. Finally, keep in mind that your carrier needs to support Wi-Fi calling for this option to appear in your settings. If you don't see it at all, it may not be supported on your current plan, so it's worth checking with your provider. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Wi-Fi calling on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.